This is Raw Biology's Organic Liquid Facelift. It's an anti-aging skincare set. I'm sure you've seen it online by now. Everyone is talking about their medical grade ingredients that completely overhaul your skin naturally. It has 3 really potent serums: hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and retinol vitamin A serum. First, you apply a couple drops of the hyaluronic acid serum, which is for plumping and smoothing. Next, apply a couple drops of the vitamin C serum, which is for discoloration and smoothing wrinkles. And lastly, apply only a couple drips of the retinol serum, which is for lifting and tightening. Honestly, another really good tip with the retinol is that it helps your wrinkles to prevent them. I would say start using it by age 25. Have more wrinkles around that age starting to form depending on how much makeup you wear and if you moisturize under your eyes. Retinol is actually used over the many years for acne. It can be prescribed over the counter as well. It is perfect for wrinkles, anti-aging, as well as for acne, because it kind of removes the dead skin cells in such a way that is actually really good over a period of time. And it's amazing because of the organic ingredients that are in this. It's really helpful that I've noticed a lot. You can even YouTube it as well. There's a lot of videos on those who are using retinol and see the effects along with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. These 3 are like key ingredients for amazing plump skin and anti-aging. And doesn't mean you're not aging. All it does is reduce it by many years. There are videos of people in their 50s, 60s, and 70s and above who have really great skin, plump skin, and their wrinkles are very minimal compared to if you were to use just a regular cream, night cream, or under eye cream. It is very powerful and very effective. It feels awesome on my skin, and it's nice to know I'm actually giving my skin all of the things that it needs to stay smooth, tight, and youthful and plump. And I gotta say, I'm really excited. I love it. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching me talk about these 3 amazing serums. And please let me know which ones that you've tried, if you've tried all 3 of them, and kind of your results. I love this. Thank you so much for watching.